Now I want to take this at one more advanced level. Okay, one more advanced level is how do you come to know to which EC2 instance load balancer is forwarding the traffic? Okay, whether it is the EC2 instance number 1 or EC2 instance number 2, I want to know that. Okay, how is it really forwarding the traffic? That we understood, like it is forwarding the traffic only to the healthy EC2 instance. It is not forwarding to the unhealthy one. So to have a look into that, what I'll be doing here, I'll go, okay, this got stopped. Did I? Okay, sorry, I stopped that instance. Let me power it on quickly. Okay, and I need to connect with both of these instances. With one, I am already being connected. I will just go here and I will be connecting with this. To connect, I will go and one thing, okay, one thing I want to call it out is you can see your instance is unhealthy. If you stop your EC2 instance, it shows unused. Okay, but as the initially health check got failed, right? Because we deleted that test.html, that's why it is showing still unhealthy. Else, if we will directly stop the instance, it will say unused instead of unhealthy. So here I go. This is the instance. Pick IP, credentials, browse. Okay, fine. Hmm. Now, here, what I'll be doing, I will just go, I will be creating one echo. This is health check. Okay, I'll be redirecting this html, and there we'll be creating test.html. So once test.html gets created, our targets should be healthy. Okay, both of the targets are healthy. Now let me try to do one thing. Okay, here I go and 16.112, right? This is the web server number 1. What I will be doing, here I go cd var www html. Okay, here I'll go and I will delete everything from here. Everything is okay. Permission denied. I will use sudo. Everything is being deleted. Similarly, here I'll go to the another instance, and here also what I'll do, I will be deleting everything. So I'll say sudo rm-rf, and I want to delete from var www html /star. From here I want to delete everything. So here if I just go to var www html, I should not have anything. Okay, everything is being deleted. Now what I'll do, I will create one file that is index.html. And here I will say, hello, this is web server number 1. Okay. And I will be redirecting this to index.html. Mission denied. Okay, let's see. Sudo. After sudo also. Is it? Should not. Fine. No problem. Let's say sudo su hyphen. Okay. Now say echo cd var www html. We are at the HTML now. If I say pwd, and now I will say echo hello, this is web server number 1. Okay, and I will be redirecting this to index.html. Enter. Similarly, I will be copying this and I will be pasting this here. Okay, here I will say web server number 2. Okay, so now if I just go here and if I refresh this, see what it is telling. It is going to web server number 2, web server number 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, right? Although your EC2 instances are in unhealthy state. How will these get healthy? These one will get healthy once we modify the health checks. I can say only slash and then it will get modified. Or I can say slash index.html, your health check will get passed. So here if I go in a while, you will be able to find this as healthy. Here if you go, okay, still unhealthy, healthy. Okay, both of the instances are being healthy now. Oh, what is happening here? Both of these instances are healthy and both of these are your load balancer is forwarding the traffic to one, this, right? Exactly, this is what it is doing. So the concern is, why is it doing like this only? Okay, so what do we call it? In technical terms, there is an algorithm which it is following. Okay, this is the algorithm which your load balancer is following. Which algorithm it is following? Your load balancer have few algorithm in place. Okay, this is your round robin algorithm. Okay, this one is your round robin algorithm. In round robin, how it happened? It forward the traffic to first, second, first, second, first, second, first, second, like this. Okay, that's what your load balancer is doing at this moment of time. So if your load balance, if one of your target will goes down, what your load balancer will do? Load balancer will forward the traffic only to the healthy one. Okay, at this moment of time it is forwarding to the 1 2 1 2. Now the concern is, if you want to modify your algorithm, how can you get this modified? So you can modify this via it through the target group. For that, you can just go here to your target group. Into the target group you have the attributes, and here if I just go to the attributes, here you can see this is the round robin algorithm which is by default. So if what you want to change to the least outstanding request. So least outstanding request means, if I, for that I can just go here and I can save the changes. Then what will happen? It will forward the traffic to the easy to instance which will have the least request. Okay, to handle. Maybe this easy to instance is having 5 uh, requests pending. Okay, this one is having 50. Yeah, there could be chances like, for example, one user goes on here. Okay, this session runs only for 1 minute, and or maybe I can say for 10 minutes, and this EC2 instance is handling the request of 1 minute or 10 seconds or like that, right? Okay, so whoever will be having the least outstanding request or least request to that particular one, only this load balancer will forward the traffic. So once you get this enabled, then at that moment of time, it is not specific like your load balancer will be forwarding the request only to the that particular one. So if you will be refreshing it, okay, in a while you will be, not immediately, but in a while you will be able to see that. So such request comes into the production while you will be requiring to modify your traffic algorithm, okay, to the least outstanding request. Any questions here?
No, I got it right.
Okay, fine. Then, okay, give me a minute. Let me see if okay. Although at this moment of time, your targets are also don't have any outstanding requests, right? Because we are only one who are generating the request. So it is like one is having one request, another one is having zero request. Okay, so maybe it is forwarding the same way, but in production it is being useful. You can use this least outstanding request. Okay. The next one is this weighted random. Okay, so what it does, it route traffics randomly, okay, in a random order. And here what it does, this uh, okay, so when this slow start duration is like when we get any of the new target like EC2 instance added. Okay, so how much time it takes? Initially it takes the request slows, okay, slowly and gradually it handles the request, like less number of requests it handle. And then after some time, like this one will be handling with full flesh, like all the requests equally which other targets are being handling. Okay, so this is a new algorithm which AWS got added sometime back only. Okay, so this is how it is. So here you can define like for 30 seconds. If you want to enable this, at least 30 to 900 seconds, you need to define. And if you're defining zero, then it means it is being disabled. Okay, that is for slow start duration. This is what you need to define if you want to use this weighted random. So these are the few of the algorithm which we have. The other one is least outstanding request, weighted. What is the full name? Weighted random. Okay. So randomly, it will be forwarding the traffic to the healthy targets. This is your weighted random. Okay. So these are the three types of algorithm which are being available with us in AWS. Any questions here?
I got it, buddy.